guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a mini brand. Let's look at the packaging. Inside, it's like a book. There's all the collectibles. And at the end there's a word search. And yeah, there's a book. It's like a book plus guide. And this is where our mini brand is going to be. Let's look at it. Let's unbox it. And we got 3, 2, 1. We got a lotion bottle. Whoa, it looks so cool. Oh, sorry, it's not a lotion bottle, it's a shampoo. So there's smooth, I'm for frizzy and dull hair, shampoo, sleeve free, particle free, curl free. Whoa, the bottle is so detailed. I really like it. So, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!